This video covers the basic installation steps for Fisher & Paykel gas cooktops. Please refer to Installation Manual 590486F for complete instructions. Abide by all state and local codes and use safe installation practices while installing this product. First, measure the opening to ensure it is the proper size for the product you are installing. Carefully unpack the cooktop. Ensure all the included installation components are present. Do not remove the shipping tape over the burners at this point. Place the cooktop upside down on a protective surface and apply the foam tape to the edges, as seen here. Locate the supplied regulator, clamping brackets, fiber washer, and 1/2-inch elbow. Place the fiber washer into the female side of the elbow and screw the elbow onto the cooktop. Be sure to use 2 wrenches for the final tightening. Carefully place the cooktop into the countertop. Insert the clamping brackets into the cooktop frame using at least 2 on opposing sides. Tighten with a screwdriver. Apply thread sealant or tape to the elbow on the cooktop. Screw the regulator to the elbow, ensuring the arrow on the regulator points toward the cooktop. Make sure the regulator cap is facing forward when you're done tightening, in case it ever needs to be converted. Apply thread sealant or tape to the gas line adapter and screw it into the bottom of the regulator. Always use 2 wrenches for the final tightening. Do not apply thread sealant or tape to the compression connection on the gas line. Connect the gas line and tighten. Turn the gas on and leak test all connection points. Plug the power cord in and remove all packing tape. Turn each burner on and ensure proper flame characteristics. Place the grates into position and be sure to leave the owner's manual with the customer.